In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to tap on different parts of the screen to play different sounds and animation in Lens Studio. Enjoy! Hello everyone, my name is Tariq and welcome to the 19th tutorial of beginner templates in Lens Studio. For today's template, we have Soundboard template. You can tap on different parts of the screen to play different sounds and animations. Let's go ahead and check this template. So once you open the template, you can see you have the visuals and you have the keys. So the first visual is like A, B, C, D, E, F. So the A is assigned with the button A, which is the pink one, and the B assigned to the button B, and C is assigned to the C, and we're gonna go on with these things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate this one to be on the head user. So if we tap on here, we want this to go on, like, to be on the head. How can we do this? So let's go ahead and do head binding, and then we have in Lens Studio something called image object. You can see the image to be above the heads, like it's gonna be as like a plane for 3D plane. I'm gonna go to the forehead, and then I'm gonna add cat A, then cat B. Let me first do the scale. Cat A, which is the pink one. Okay, let me just scale it, put it above the head. And today we're gonna use a new tween script. I'm gonna show you, it's a new tool we haven't used before. Then cat B, like this. So how can we replace all of these cats in here? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use the tween alpha. So tween alpha, you can play with the alpha of this object. Okay, I'm gonna put it to 0 right now. Then I go to the component, to cat A image object, and then script tween alpha, this one. So here I'm gonna make it start from 0 and end on 1 in 2 seconds, as you can see here. So this is how can you make this one. So let's do it for the entire thing. So the built-in script for this template, it has something called show and hide. So once you try on the tween name, show is gonna show this one like this with the tab on the screen. But let me show you in 1 second. Let's go to the button and replace the trigger visual with our button that we just created, which is the image object. So once we tap on here, it's gonna show the alpha. But first, let me turn off the animation in here. So when I tap here, as you can see here, because it says show, it's gonna show in here. Like if it's something else, let's try. It's not gonna work. It should be show because it's built in the script to be as show and hide. So here I need to make it hide, so we can hide it to the opposite side of the alpha. So it's gonna show, then we're gonna hide in 1 second, sorry. Like this. So we can do this method for the entire thing in here. Let's go to the B, in here, paste, and then to the C, D for the show, and then B, and go back to the A, copy the hide and paste the hide to the B as well, to the C, and the D, E, and the F. So we're almost done here. Now we need to go to the buttons and replace the trigger visual, which this one's from here, and then replace it with the B, and then let's go for the C, the button C, then we search for the C like this, is much easier, then search for the D, E. Let me keep the F so I can show you what we have changed here. Let me turn it off. Let me also keep the alpha for the entire thing to be 0. Like this. Okay, so let's try.
Meow.
First one.
Meow.
Second.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
So we had to change it from this one to be binded on the head and just simple clicks in here. It's very easy, very simple. I don't think this is complicated. You can pause and learn what we just did. It's simple. Okay, let me just change the alpha to 0 for this one. For the cat. Yep, and this
Meow.
that's it. So yeah, this is how can you play with this template and you
Meow.
can make this thing in Lens Studio. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next tutorial.